Hello, welcome back to Mayday in the Kitchen. It has been a long time. So I know I posted a video 2 weeks ago, but that video was actually recorded in October. It has been a good 2 to 3 months since I have filmed. I took a break, I'm back, and I'm ready to get this rolling again. So this episode is going to be a recreation of one of my first videos, and the quality is sad. Just so sad. Like, I can't even bring myself to watch it because it's just embarrassing. I'm going to redo it with my new setup, my new kitchen, my new sense of how to film a video. So it should be better, right? But yes, I am ready to redeem this video and make it 10 times better. So if you guys are ready for that too, then let's get baking. If you guys like this video, please be sure to hit that like button down below and don't forget to subscribe to this channel so that be sure to like that button down below. It's been a while, my friends. Let me get into my rhythm. If you guys like this video, please do. If you guys like this video, please be sure to hit that like button down below and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, as well as hit that bell notification so that you can get reminded every other beautiful Wednesday morning when I post new videos like this one. Also, be sure to check out my Instagram. I always say this, I always say it, I'm posting more, I'm creating a content calendar so that I know what to post and la-di-da-di-da-di-da-di-da. But I think I'm doing better this time. So go check it out so you can see what I'm doing throughout my week instead of just seeing me here every other Wednesday. Here are the ingredients that you need to make the Blackberry Lavender Naked Cake. 1 cup canola oil, half a cup plain Greek yogurt, 3 large eggs, 2 cups granulated sugar, 1 tablespoon vanilla extract, 1½ cups buttermilk, 3 3/4 cups all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon baking soda, 1 teaspoon baking powder, 1 teaspoon kosher salt, 6 cups of fresh or frozen blackberries, half a cup of honey, a tablespoon lemon juice, 1 to 2 teaspoons dried lavender, 3 sticks salted butter at room temperature, 1½ cups powdered sugar, 8 ounces white chocolate melted. Now that you know the ingredients, let's get baking. So the first thing that we need to do is preheat our oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. I have already done that. The next step is we're going to grease our pans. So I'm going to take a paper towel and a big jug of some oil. Oh my gosh, I'm kind of scared. And I'm just going to wipe this all over, grease my pan. My eyes are not used to these lights. Oh my gosh, everything is so bright. La 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 la, where is my parchment paper? I'm going to zoom through this right now. This is probably going to just be a voiceover, but what you can do is just take parchment paper and cut it, fold it, see all my folds, and then you snip it to be exactly half of your diameter on your baking pans, and then you lay it in, and it's just extra protection for when you are baking so it does not stick to the bottom of the pan. I'm going to use this bowl right here. Oh, and I need a mixer. I wish I just had a mixer, like a stand mixer, but I don't. I have a hand mixer, so let me get that ready. All right, here we go. Here is my oil, my yogurt, eggs, granulated sugar, buttermilk, vanilla extract, next thing is add in our flour, baking powder, baking soda, and salt. My arm. I am actually going to use a weighing machine, a scale. We want to be sure that these are even, that they're even in weight so that when we go to bake, that they bake evenly, because you don't want one to bake faster and then it be dry and then the other one be like perfect, or the other way around, one be perfect and the other one be like not cooked all the way. I think that happened last time. I can't remember. Yeah, I think one of them, the middle wasn't cooked all the way through, but I've already spent like hours trying to film it, so I was like done over it, whatever. But I'm gonna weigh it. Okay, that one says 706, 709. Oh my gosh, this is harder than I thought. 862. Ah, it's more. 902. Let's get the other one at 902. 902. Woohoo! 902 for each of them. And now I'm gonna go throw these in the oven for 30 to 35 minutes. So I'll be right back. That took forever. The oven, oh my gosh. I set it at 350 and somehow it was at 400 degrees. So now we're going to make the blackberry lavender jam. We need frozen blackberries. Now I'm gonna add my lemon juice and my dried lavender and honey. We're just gonna let it keep cooking until it comes to a boil. Once it's at a boil, I'm gonna start mashing up the blackberries and then we just let it cool. And as it cools, it'll thicken. Last time, this got everywhere, so I'm gonna cover it with a lid. Okay, this is obviously not the lid for it, but it does the job. While that's cooking, I'm gonna start on my buttercream. My butter and my powdered sugar. My butter is melted. My white chocolate is melted, so now I'm gonna add it. I had to do it the old-fashioned way on a double boiler, because I tried the microwave and I burnt it, so that was fun. My masher. Now I need my jam to cool and my cakes to cool, and then we will assemble. So I will be back when those are cooled off. We are ready. So I have my buttercream, I have my jam. I really hope that these are cooked in the middle. Oh man. Oh man. Alright, we are gonna cut this up. It wants me to cut it in half. Now onto this one. This one I hope is cooked through. Ooh, much better. This one looks nice. Yes, it's cooked. Oh my gosh, I was so scared that this one wasn't cooked, but it is. Thank goodness. Just gonna put a tiny bit of buttercream so that it do not slide. One. Guys, this is a struggle. Buttercream, jam. Oh. Buttercream. We're just gonna keep on doing this. And jam. Oh my heavens. I think the last cake I did I only did 2 layers. When it was actually supposed to be 4 layers. It's definitely not even. There's kind of like a little slope in it, but that's fine. It's okay. I is not a professional. And the top. Bam. It is done. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. That's good, right? It's good, right? It's good. It's good. Should I add some on the top? I don't know how to make it pretty. How do you make this look cute? Guys, how do you make it look cute? I think I need like many more things, but I don't have anything else. I guess it is what it is. It is what it is, and that's all that it is. And that's all that I can do. I don't know, guys. I don't know. I think I'm just making it worse. I'm over it. It is what it is. We are ready to cut this cake. I am quite scared to be 110%. Oh my gosh. Oh, I want you guys to see this. Oh my gosh. Okay, well, look at that slice. Look at those layers. Yes. That tastes good. Oh my gosh. So excited. I'm gonna go serve this to my family because we are actually having a taco night. Perfect timing, so they're gonna eat this up. Thank you so much for joining me this week as I recreated this Blackberry Lavender Naked Cake. I think this video is probably 10 times, I haven't edited it yet, but I think this video is 10 times better than the last one I made. Many factors on why it is better, but yes, thank you so much for watching it. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell notification so that you can get reminded every other beautiful Wednesday morning when I post new videos like this one, and I will see you guys in 2 weeks. Bye!